Hello, Linda Z's. This is Taylor with Anita Goodesign, and I'm here to personally invite you to the brand new 502 in the Hoop 2 event that we are doing at Linda Z's. It's going to be on March 5th and 6th. There's also another option for March 7th and 8th. So again, March 5th and 6th, which is a Thursday, Friday, or March 7th and 8th, which is a Saturday or Sunday class. What we're going to do is tons and tons of different things. They're all going to be in the hoop. Great projects for simply attending. Everybody is going to get this beautiful binder like you always do when you attend an Anita's University event. This one is going to be exclusive for 502, again in the Hoop 2, with hundreds of pages of tutorials on how we do all of these designs here, tons more. You're also going to get this cute little guy here, the USB stick that's going to have, again, tons of designs that's exclusive to the event. This one also actually has videos that you can watch on tips and tricks. Some of the things that we're going to be doing are doing this cute little guy here with organza, stitching on different materials than we've ever done in class, like cork. Everybody loves cork. We're going to be doing some bottle aprons. You're going to get designs on how we do these beautiful doilies here. We're going to be doing some towel toppers here. Again, some little notions pocket here. This is itching to be stitching. So if you are itching to be stitching, I hope you are, so that you can come stitching with myself and all the great staff at Linda Z's. You need to get signed up today because space is limited. How do you get signed up? Thanks for asking. You can go to lindaz's.com or call the store to get signed up today. You don't want to miss it, and I hope to see you there.